Hey there crafters, this is Beth with Crafty Corner. Today we're going to try out the new Smart Writable label. It isn't necessarily a new product, but it has only been available for the Joy. Now they have it available for the bigger machines. It is smart, which means you do not need a cutting mat if you have the Generation 3 machines. If you have an older machine, you can still use it, you'll just need to put it on a cutting mat. These are the three varieties we will be trying out today. We have white, black, and transparent. For these two, you can use pretty much any Cricut pens, but if you want to use the black, you will need these opaque gel pens so that they show up on the black. Okay, first I want to show you how I created my labels. So I went into Images and Design Space and searched for label. And then I like to select this operation type here and select cut and draw. That way I know I can draw the word and it will cut the label. This here is an editable image, which means it will write and cut, but I can change the word pretty easily. So here, let's go ahead and change this to basil. And it's going to be perfectly aligned and attached already for me. If we don't get an editable image, let's search label again and select cut and draw. And we're gonna grab this one that doesn't have that editable word in it. And I'm gonna add text. And let's change the font to a writing font. This one has a single letter and a writing. We're going to change the style to writing. And we're going to align it in the center. Select both and attach. That way it will draw this portion and the word, but then cut the outer shape. Let's get rid of these. And here are all of my spice jar labels. Let's change them all to the same color so they all cut out on the same sheet. All right, here it is. We want to do without a mat because we are using smart material. Continue. And we're going to select Browse All Materials and then select Smart Label Writable Vinyl. Here we have our transparent. I am using the roll holder, but you can use it without. I'm going to insert a black pen into my clamp A and load my material. And hit go. And it will first draw my words. Then when it's done drawing the whole thing, it will then come back and cut out the shapes. Here it is all drawn and cut. And all you have to do, no transfer tape needed. It is just like a sticker. You just pull it right off. And then you can stick it to the surface. I was worried that it would smudge, but it actually did not smudge one bit. I even put my thumb over it a couple times just to see, and the ink did not go anywhere. I love being able to organize with this Smart Writable label. Next up is the Smart Label Writable Black vinyl. We are going to use these opaque gel pens. I'm actually going to use the white one out of this. Again, let's get our vinyl loaded in here. You can see I already have the white opaque pen in my clamp A, and it will begin to draw. When it's done drawing, it will cut, and here it is all done. You can see that the white opaque gel pen was not consistent all the way around. I still liked the look of it, but again, just pull it off just like a sticker and place onto your surface. Do all of my pantry labels. Last but not least, we have our white. It does look very similar to the transparent, but it is white. I'm actually going to use 4 different colors with this one, so let's get all of that drawn. Last color. Again, when it is done drawing, it will cut. And we can unload. As you can see, the pink actually smudged a little bit. I don't know if that's because the ink wasn't dry or if the machine hit it, but we will get these ones on my little bottles here. So again, just peel it off just like a sticker and place onto your surface. And with this one, it did smear as I was putting my thumb over it. There you can see it a little bit better. So maybe I'll try to recut this one. I did cut out shampoo and conditioner again, and I like how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, give us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.